Hi friends, in this video I will show you how to only me all posts on Facebook. So let's start the video. Open Facebook application on your phone and tap on three lines top right corner. Now tap on settings icon top right corner. Here go to privacy checkup. Now tap on who can see what you share. Here tap on continue. Now tap on next. Here you will see a option of default audience. Tap on friends in front of default audience. Now tap on see more. Finally select only me. So in this way you can only me all post on Facebook. I hope you will find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.